you guys. How's everybody doing today on this beautiful Thursday? I think it's Thursday, March the 16th. I'm not doing much right now. I'm just driving. I'm gonna go hit up this value word store because I think I mentioned to you guys that I'm looking for, or maybe I didn't. I think I put it in the video. I'm looking for a long black maxi skirt, but today, and a watch. Only because today is 50% off everything in the store. So I probably I could bring you guys along for much as I can. We'll do that, and then I'm going to visit that place that's a quarter today, and I'm probably going to bring you guys along that for much as I can. You guys know how some of these places don't like you to, you know, vlog and stuff like that in their stores. But I hope you guys are having a very great day. Now, last time I seen y'all, we had storms, and then 2 days later, it's like, let me see on my dash, y'all, what temperature is. Do y'all want the forecast today? Okay, forecast today. Today, it is sunny, blue skies, no wind, really. If it is windy, it might be 2 miles per hour, which is not really much. It is currently 45 degrees outside. It's supposed to get up to 50 today. So if you guys can get out and get you a walk in, wash your truck or car or whatever, go ahead and do those things because today is the day for it. Depending on where you live, here in Ohio, it's really nice. So I probably am going to wash my truck later if I feel like it. Maybe not, I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and head into the Value World place and we'll see what we can pick up today. All right, y'all? Y'all, today is the last day for the store, and look at all these cars out here. Oh my gosh, like, I hope I'll be able to vlog, but there's the store right there. I'm trying to get in between these cars right here. Yeah, so I think I told y'all I needed a maxi skirt. I need a long black maxi dress, okay? So that's what we're headed for, and like I said, if they have a watch that's in reason for me, I will get it. I'm just looking for something with a leather band. If it needs a battery, and it don't cost that much, that will be okay for me. So let's get ready to go into the store, y'all, okay? Just showing you guys some of their jewelry. They have things right here. Oh, look at that girl watch right there. I like that.
Need some help?
I'm gonna look on the other side first at the watches.
Christmas watches. Christmas watches.
Oh no, the ones that's in the case over there, I'm gonna look at those too. This is all their jewelry, y'all. They got some nice pieces.
I really can't tell you what. This one's definitely not.
Okay, that one.
This one's not.
Okay.
This one's not. This is a lady's watch.
Oh, I like the gray one. Is that has a leather band?
Yeah, something. Leather.
Okay, I want something. What is? Oh, that's Christmas too. That white one.
I don't know what that is on there, but it's a watch. I don't know what that picture is on there, but they up that close to your watch. They don't. They need to see whatever it is. That's what they need to do.
$5. That's not bad. Is any of these working? I found these three, y'all. This one is $2. It'll be $1. This is a long black one. But that's Forever 21. Now this one will be half off of that, and that is by Universal Thread. Y'all know that's Target, but this is 100% cotton, and it go all the way down. And then I like this one as well. It'll be $2.50 with the little thing in the back. I like this, and it goes all the way down. Y'all got some splits, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Y'all hear his outfit of the day. They are playing music in here, so I can't stay on here long. I really like these color pants. Y'all see these? I like the color. But I'll be back. Y'all, I started to get these, but I changed my mind because they have that on there. These are like, I got two of them, but these are like the ones that I haven't. These are similar to what I have at home, where it has like, if you can see the glass inside the other one, like that. And they will be 40 cents because they're 80 cents. But I'm not going to get them because I can't scrub that off of there. All right, y'all, we are here at the place. I'll show you guys. They have a sign now. Before they didn't have a sign. And there are a lot of cars out here. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I got like a half an hour because I need to meet my daughter at her job so I can share some of my main goals with her. So yeah, let me show y'all the sign and then we're gonna get out of here. I'm trying to think, maybe I'll take my gloves because I don't want to be touching all that stuff with my hands. But here's the sign. And let's go see what they got, y'all. Let's go see. Ooh. Let's go see. I hope they don't say nothing about no camera, y'all. Let's get it. So this is what it looks like, y'all. They do have music playing, so I'm gonna have to not like be on here that long. So I'll put y'all online. Do y'all see what I'm saying about all these people in here? Like, I don't have enough time to look for a lot of stuff, but I did find a few things. I'll share them with you guys when I get home a little later. But look at all these people, all these little bins. Everything in here today is a quarter. Everything, and they only take cash. So people are shopping their butts away. Hey y'all, look.
Hey y'all, they call me Grilly Nar now.
Y'all already know how I feel about that, but I told y'all I was gonna see her at work. I had to drop her fruit off.
Yes,
so,
and my vitamins.
And her vitamins.
You know, my mommy's getting me together, period.
All right, y'all. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
All right, ma. I love you.
Love you too.
Well, I'm already clocked in. I just gotta go.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right, so long.
All right, so long. Hey, y'all. I stopped at Habitat for Humanity to see if they had anything. I see a nice dish set. This whole set is $25, y'all, and it's by American Auxiliary Stoneware. You get all of these cups and everything, and it's more. Oh, you get these bowls here too. But I don't see anything that I really like here today. I came here to look for. I'm trying to remember what it was. Oh, coffee mugs, because the glass one, because I didn't see. This is where I got the coffee mug that I showed y'all that has like the insert, but they don't have too much today. And then I show you some of the stuff is a quarter a piece. See the glasses and stuff, but I'm gonna go home, y'all. I will see you all a little later. I'm starting to get a headache. I haven't been thrifting and hanging out like this in a while, but I'm glad you guys came along to see. Yeah, there's nothing here. They got Easter stuff. So I'll see you guys later, all right? Hi guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little walkthrough in our Habitat for Humanity here in Ohio. They have lots of things from household stuff, kitchen stuff, appliances, everything. Look at these pieces of furniture, guys. I absolutely love this, but it was for sale. I wasn't gonna buy it, but this piece right here, y'all, just imagine if you paint this all black matte, this is actually lined for clothes. Nice, isn't it? All right, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. So my baby is clean, Lady Blue is clean, and you guys know I just like to keep my vehicle clean. I'm just a really neat person, so by any means I don't worship no car. My car is really actually pretty old. I just take care of it, you know, on the outside and try to take care of it on the inside. But today was a really good day. I told you guys it was 54 degrees, so why not wash your car out? You know, we had a couple of days with all that snow and stuff like that, so yeah. And I'm getting a little hungry. I'm gonna end this video, but I wanted to show you guys. So guys, at the actual Value World, I did not pick up the dress. I just didn't I mean, half of $5 something. I'm so used to paying my low prices. You guys know I'm very, very frugal. Some people will be like, that's cheap. No, that's smart. I'm not gonna pay half of almost $6 for no dress. And I'm like I said, I just learned it with that place is that when they have these sales, you could tell they have marked up stuff. So if it was $4, it would have been $2. That's okay. But the one dress that was $2, it wasn't any good material. It was like, y'all know, what's the name of that store? Forever 21. Their stuff is mostly like rayon and polyester, and you guys know I try to gravitate more towards the cotton stuff because you wash it, it lasts longer and things like that. But I did pick up something from the Where Have You Been store, so I'll show you guys what I got. I picked up this beautiful candle holder, and you guys know I already have one of these that was in the office, but now it's back there. But I think I'm gonna put this one over there on the top of the window seat. I don't know, but I'll show you guys the other one in the other room in a second. I also picked up these Nature Bounties Energy Jelly Beans. They support energy, metabolism, and they have tons of vitamin B12, which y'all know I need. They are vegetarian, so I thought it was a big deal. I got 2, so I gave one to my daughter. And actually, this was like, it says Amazon inspection or Amazon product or something. Oh, Amazon deals. That's what it says. Amazon deals. That's what it says. And then I also picked up, this is the last thing I got, and show you the other candle. But I got these, and these are by M Design. And they are actually those containers that you put, hold on y'all. They're the containers, I think you, let me know in the comments, y'all, is this for, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is for, to put fruit in, like eggs and stuff like that, or you can put bottles in there. Is that what this is for? But I got 2 of these and they came in a pack, so they was $1. So I only spent 81 cents, y'all, in that Ben's place. So, woohoo for me, because she only spent 81 cents. But let me know what this is. Let me know what this is for, because I think that's what it is. You stack them like that. So I am gonna put like some of my oranges in there, and that way I can use some of the little pull-outs for other things. But nothing's wrong with them. They're in great shape. They're actually, like I said, they're brand new. So I'm gonna go in the back, take you in the back, and I'm gonna show you guys the other candle stand. But that's what I got from the Where You Been place. The one I just bought, right? And then this is the other one. If you guys did not see it, this is the other one. So this is how, that's how the size they are. This is the one I already had, and this is the new one. So I really would have liked it if it was more like this one, but I still like them both. This one is more just my favorite. I'm gonna have to probably get another candle, but I'm gonna check my drawers and see if I have another candle, because y'all already know I don't like to go out buying stuff if I don't have to. Y'all, look at my baby. Look at these. Look, she got one opening right here. She got one opening right here, and all of these have opened up. There's plenty more all around here that's opened up. Like I had mentioned, I am going to do a plant tour coming up soon. Not real soon, but soon. So just be looking out for that. And thank you all so much, guys. I know you guys like thrifting and things like that, but you all know she don't really need anything. But from time to time, I will bring you guys along for me when I thrift, whether it's at the bins or at the thrift stores like Goodwill, Habitat for Humanity, Savers, Value World, Salvation Army. I think I said Goodwill already. So yeah, I really appreciate that. Let me know, do you guys like the things that I found today? Also, I'm trying to think what else I had. Oh, let me tell y'all, there is a movie on Netflix that is really, really good. I don't promote horror stuff because I'm really not a horror person, but this movie called Black Summer, y'all, it's called Black Summer. It just raised a flag to me because it just made me think of some third world country stuff is going. It's just, watch the movie because it's really, really good. So I just want to leave you guys with that. Like I said, thank you so much for your lovely comments on my videos. Thank you for tuning in. Come back for more. And always remember, y'all, to what? Love yourself. Love yourself so that you will be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Guys, it's so much going on. It's so sad out here. You know, just being in the thrift stores, I had noticed a couple of ladies, you know, one lady thought I was going to grab something that I just was looking at, and she just hurried and grabbed it. And then knowingly later on, she just set it back down. She didn't want me to have it. It's just people are so vindictive, cruel, ugly, condescending, they're just bad people. And guys, you got to get yourselves together. It's not a very good look. When it really, I don't think men do that as much, but ladies, that's another thing being in the stores. I'm starting to notice, you know, people staring at you, and it's like, I'm just your average girl. I'm living on a budget. I don't think I'm nothing. I just think I'm a human being who just try to do what is right out here. And people just, I'm just starting to see that it's so much bad. So guys, please love on yourselves a whole lot more so you can love others, okay? Because it's not good sometimes. It's really not. But I'm gonna end this video. I'm really, really hungry, but I just wanted to show you guys my other candle and what I was comparing it to. But like I said, I'm gonna probably put this one in the front on the well, put it on. I'm gonna put it on the seat table. Yeah, the seat table. Not the seat table, y'all. What is she talking about? The window seat. All right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta eat. She's hungry. She's talking backwards. So see you next time. Bye, y'all.
You guys, today is the next day, and I found some nice bamboo brushes. Can y'all see me? Hey there, welcome to a new day. I'm gonna end this vlog for this week, y'all know, but I'm gonna check on these prices. This one says $4.99, and then the same exact one says, wait a minute, that says $4.99. I think this one says $5.99, so they need to check the prices. But I'm at Marshall's. Look at this. Look at all that stuff. All this is clearance, everything. Even the perfumes are really, really low. All right, y'all, I'm gonna end out the vlog today. See you the next one. Bye.
All right, y'all, I'm back real quick. I just want to show y'all before I get back on the road what I picked up. Which one of the bamboo. Look at these, y'all. Aren't they cute? Look at the little packaging. Really, really nice. They're vegan friendly. If you guys can see, hold on, let me turn it around. It's really hard with one hand. It tells you right there. And then it also tells you, I think right here somewhere. But yeah, I got these, and these were $5.99. I don't know if I showed y'all these, but I end up getting these. I wasn't, they just looked at a little flat like my other ones, and I did the math, because if I would have went to Dollar Tree, which I don't shop there anymore, I remember when I bought my old two brushes, they were $1, so now they're $1.25. So that would be almost $5 for four of them. That would be $5 for four of them. So I got four good sturdier ones for $1 more. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. So thanks for hanging out with me this week on our shopping spree, which we ain't really spending hardly no money. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Like I'm smoking a cigarette. Really? Bye, y'all. See ya.